All right, now we're just going to mix it all in there. So as you can see,
Yeah, I remember you said that. Yes, yes.
we're using the HexClad. This is actually a frying pan. It's not really a wok, but it looks like a wok. You follow me?
Like,
What do you mean? I cut them. How could you be late?
really? Yeah.
Yeah, we're basically frying all the vegetables.
Right.
I guess our eyes are going to be fantastic because we're going to have a lot of beta carotene, apparently. So that's a lot of carrots.
Yeah. That's why we can make a shit ton more, yeah.
Kenzen Ichi.
Right. Right.
All right.
Huh.
Oh, what's cooking? My coffee.
Right.
Hang on.
Right.
Oh,
Please.
my hands are going to turn orange. Check it out. This is our HexClad wok. It's cooking like a son of a gun. For some reason, she left that in there. I'll take it out. Put it
I'm
over here.
listening. He's talking.
Yeah. So look at that. That's what you call deliciousness. Letting the steam come out.
Right.
HexClad.